Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enable dual clock on any iPhone lock screen. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, head towards your lock screen. Long press on it. Now at the bottom you will see the option of customize. Click on it. Now click on this option of lock screen. Now click on this option of add widget. With that, different options will appear. Scroll down. Find your option clock. Once you find it, open it. With that, you want to find different clock options as world clock, city digital, city analog, and next alarm. You have to select the option of world clock. Click on it. After you select the word clock, now you can edit it. Click on it. Now you can select the city that you want to set in your word clock. Just click on it. Different city options will appear. Go ahead and select the city that you want to set in your world clock. After you select it, now you can click on this option of done. So that's basically how you can enable dual clock on any iPhone lock screen. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.